All right, guys, I have a cool experiment I'd like to show you over this weekend for Fun Friday. I do have a cool book here that was given to us by one of my former teacher friends. She did this thing online and got some cool books and gave them to me for Teacher Appreciation Week this year. So I'm excited to try this new experiment in here that I've never done before. It's called Rainbow Sugar. Let me read it to you. It says you can use evaporation to make colored sugar crystals to eat. Now, sugar is something very sweet. Let's see what color sugar is. What color is our sugar? It's white. Yeah. So how are we going to make it look like a rainbow? It says stir sugar into the water until it disappears, and then pour 2 spoonfuls on each foil dish and add a different color to each one. We have some food coloring here, some yellow and blue and red. So we're going to make our white sugar turn colors. And then we have to leave it in the dish for 3 days. That's going to be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And we'll check it again on Monday when we come back. And the water will evaporate, it will come out, and it will leave behind some colorful rainbow sugar crystals. So let's see if we can do this. I got my empty glass here. I'm going to get 2 spoonfuls of white sugar. 1, 2. Look at all that sugar. How are we going to make that disappear? We have to add 10 scoops of warm water. Ready? Count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our big fat 10. All right, now you can still kind of see the sugar down there. Okay, we're gonna have to stir it until it's all dissolved, until it disappears. Woo! Round and round it goes. Is it all gone? Nope, not yet. I can still see some in there. We should have counted how many stirs it takes. Super speed. Almost. Look at that funnel it's creating in there. Whee! All right. So all of our sugar has dissolved, and I'm going to pour some into each of our foil pans here. All right, and then we're going to start with our first color, yellow. Let's see, does it say how many drops we have to do? I don't think it says how many. It just says put some food coloring in it. So we're going to add it here. Oh, look at that yellow. Isn't that pretty? All right, there's some yellow. Let's try some red. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is green and purple. I like purple too. But, oh, these yellow and reds are really pretty. They look like my emojis on there with kissy faces. Now let's add blue. Just looks like we're adding blue to plain water, but what did we put in our water? Was it salt or sugar? You're right, it was sugar. So we're gonna mix it up here just a little bit so it gets all of our water blue and all of it red and all of it yellow. And then we're gonna let it sit for 3 days. Don't touch it, can't touch it. And you're gonna watch the water disappear and leave behind little red, blue, and yellow rainbow sugars. All right, we'll see how it turns out. I can't wait. See you later, guys.